Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets for Thursday the 30th of January. Going to be looking at this dollar yen chart now. The big levels that we need to be looking out for is this 101.77 level that we reached on the 27th of January. That was the key low in this correction, and that actually held in the big sell-off that we saw overnight after amid the flight to safety following that announcement by the Fed last night of its tapering program, and that 101.77 level has held, and that is still above this 101.50 support level that I believe is pivotal in the medium term for this chart, so that suggests that still on the balance of things, this chart remains bullish, but this correction needs to hold on to that 101.77 mark on the daily chart. We'll see that more closely on the intraday chart. That was the 101.77 level there, and we had a retest overnight in the wake of that, in the flight to safety after that Fed announcement, and what we're seeing now is a little bit of firming actually for the dollar, slight bit of support overnight, reaffirming that 101.83 level, but certainly the pressure remains on that, and now what we've got in place is this resistance band. We talked yesterday about the 102.83 level. You've now got a resistance band between 102.83 102.93, so that's the area that I'd be looking for, possibly as an intraday sell signal if you were to get a bounce there, because I think that the pressure intraday is still going to remain on this 101.77 level, and I think ultimately that will be retested probably today at some stage. The key data that we'll be all looking out for is this GDP number from the States, and that could certainly firm up the strength of the dollar if that comes in positively, and I'm still looking, as I said, as this 102.83 level to be the pivotal near-term level. If it can get back above there and find support, then you'd be looking higher once more, certainly for a break back above that 103.44 level that we saw a couple of days ago. But that is the near-term position. The momentum indicators, it's a difficult call actually. I mean that they still tend to, the RSI for example still tends to oscillate between overbought and oversold, and it's pretty much mid-band now. The MACD is recovering, but it's still below this neutral mark of 0, so that would suggest it's still slightly in sort of bearish configuration. So that's why I'm thinking that perhaps we're going to see a retest of this 101.77 level today at some stage. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. I hope you get a chance to check out our other morning report charts on the website, and I bid you good luck in your trading of dollar yen.